Welcome, family and friends, to the beginning of our demo phase. Thank you so much for following the progress of Crewsie the Bus at Peach State Skoolie on Instagram and YouTube. I'm working downtown during this gorgeous Labor Day holiday, so my hubby Patrick and his brother will be taking out the seats of our school bus so I can get better measurements to modify our floor plan. Thankfully, he has awesome help today.
Me and my brother are starting to do demolition. Family field trip.
If you like pina coladas, get caught in the rain.
Got good help.